How to prove lost wage in a personal injury case. Start by explaining that proving lost wage is a crucial part of a personal injury case. If the injury prevents you from working, you may be entitled to compensation for the income you lost during your recovery. Emphasize that the goal is to provide clear, reliable evidence to support the amount of lost wage you are claiming. Document your employment and earning. The first step is proving lost wage is to document your employment and income before the injury. Encourage the audience to gather. Pay stubs. The most straightforward way to prove your earning. Tax return. If you are self-employed or do not have pay stubs, tax return showing your income for the past few years can help demonstrate your earning. Bank statements. If pay stubs or tax return are not available, bank deposits that show regular income can be helpful. Explain that these documents should cover a reasonable period before the accident to establish the pattern of your earning. Obtain a letter from your employer. Suggest that the next step is to get a letter from your employer confirming your employment and detailing your lost wage. The letter should include employment detail, job title, full time or part time status, and the hours you work. Wage information, the rate of pay, hourly or salaried, and any bonus or benefits. Time missed, the number of day or hour you missed due to the injury. Explain that this letter provide a formal verifi- verifiable account of your lost wage and strengthen your claim. Calculate the amount of lost wage. Walk the audience through how to calculate the total lost wage for hourly workers. Multiply your hourly rate by the number of hours you missed. For salaried worker, divide your annual salary by the number of working days in a year, then multiply by the number of days you missed. If the injury caused long-term or permanent inability to work, mention the importance of considering further lost wage, which may require expert testimony, additional documentation. Keep track of your recovery period. Emphasize the need to track the recovery period and when you were able to return to work. Suggest keeping a personal journal or detailed recovery of your recovery, including doctor visits, treatments, and progress toward returning to work. Explain that your return to work date is important as it's shown when you were physically able to resume your job and help establish the length of your lost wage period. Use expert testimony if necessary. If your injury affects your ability to work in the long term or permanently, Explain that you may need expert testimony. Experts such as vocational rehabilitation specialist, economics, or medical professional can testify about the impact of your injury on your ability to earn in the future. These experts can help estimate your further lost wage, particularly if you need to switch career or are unable to work as much as you did before. Recap the key points. To prove lost wage, gather documents like pay stub, tax return, and bank statement. Get a letter from your employer. Calculate the total amount. Keep track of your recovery period and consult expert if necessary. Remind the audience that the more detailed and organized the documentation, the stronger their claim will be. Encourage them to be thought, as lost wage can represent a significant part of the compositions or compensations in a personal injury case. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share these videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.